Hi everyone, Angela Mills with OTV. Today we are at the San Diego Country Club for the Pro Kids Golf Tournament. Stick around to learn more about this event and this amazing organization.
Pro Kids, it's an exceptional charitable organization where we serve underserved communities across San Diego through the sport of golf, academics, and service, trying to get these kids to completely fulfill their potential and just become successful in life.
This is one of our biggest fundraisers of the year. It accounts for about 1/6 to 1/7 of our yearly budget, so it's really important that we're concentrating a lot of efforts here. Other than that, I also have a background in golf professional, so I work with the kids quite a bit on and off the golf course, and communicate with the donors, potential donors, people who are interested in our community and the work that we do.
Tell me a little bit about Greater Good Realty. What makes you different from other real estate companies?
Well, we're a little bit unique. We're a boutique brokerage located in downtown San Diego, but we handle the entire county. But the reason for the name Greater Good is that we actually donate 10% of our commissions to local charities here in San Diego. So we're really focused on giving back to the community and really finding deserving organizations that can make our community different.
Well, everything I'm involved is related to children and kids. I'm a national trustee for the Boys and Girls Club of America, and I chair the Military Youth of the Year award every year, which we hold in San Diego. It's very similar to Pro Kids in that we're trying to serve at-risk kids. And people have asked me before about, okay, so then what do? Well, after we serve those at-risk kids, we try to find more at-risk kids and try and serve them too.
We have an extensive network of folks who have gone through the program. We actually have a few playing here today with us, which is fantastic to see people who have gone on in their lives and they still come back and they want to be part of our mission. So the fact that we can serve those kids from as early as 7 years old all the way through high school and still have that support network afterwards through college, after beyond through their careers is pretty special.
We've had a really fun day golfing and raising money for the Pro Kids organization. Thank you for watching, and for more segments, log on to oakwoodtv.tv.